Hi, everyone. Welcome back to Real Talk English. I'm Sarah. Today, we have a special series about Anna, a new international student in America. This week, she is sick with the flu and needs to handle important situations in English. You will hear 5 real conversations about calling the school, buying medicine, talking to a neighbor, spending time with family, and checking school updates. All dialogues use simple A1 to A2 English to help you learn real phrases for daily life. Let's begin.
Good morning, Green Valley High School. This is Jason speaking. How can I help you today?
Hi, good morning. My name is Anna Rivera. I'm a new student here in grade 10.
Oh, welcome to Green Valley, Anna. It's nice to hear from you. What is the reason for your call today?
Thank you. I am calling because I am very sick. I have the flu. I went to the hospital last night, and the doctor told me to stay home.
Oh no, I am so sorry you are not feeling well. That sounds tough, especially since you just started here. How long do you need to be absent?
The doctor said I need 1 full week to rest, from today, Monday, until next Friday.
Of course, no problem at all. I will mark you as absent for the entire week. Now, do you know your student ID number?
Yes, 1 moment, please. Okay, it is 2049.
Perfect, got it. And what is your homeroom teacher's name?
My teacher is Mr. Davis. His class is in room 205.
Great, thank you. I will send him an email right away so he knows. Now, tell me, how are you feeling today? Do you have a fever or a bad cough?
I still feel very tired and a little weak. The fever is lower now, but I have a bad cough. It hurts when I breathe deeply.
That sounds really uncomfortable. Make sure you drink plenty of water and rest as much as possible, okay?
I will. I have a question. Do I need to bring a doctor's note when I come back to school?
Yes, if you have one, that would be helpful. Please give it to Mr. Davis on Monday when you return. It's just for our records.
Okay, I understand. I have the note from the hospital.
Wonderful. Also, don't worry about homework right now. Just focus on getting better first.
Really? That is good to know. I was worried about falling behind.
You'll be fine. Your teachers will help you catch up when you feel better. Is there anything else I can help you with today?
No, that is everything. Thank you so much for being so kind and helpful.
You are very welcome, Anna. Feel better soon. We'll see you next week.
Thank you so much. Goodbye.
Bye-bye. Take care.
Hi, sweetie. Oh my goodness, you still look so pale. How are you feeling today?
Hi, Maria. I am a little better than yesterday. Still very tired, but the fever is finally gone.
I'm so glad to hear that. I brought you some homemade chicken noodle soup. It always helps when someone is sick.
Oh my gosh, Maria, thank you so much. You really did not have to do that.
Of course I did. You're my neighbor, and I know you've had a rough week. I just wanted to bring you something warm.
Oh, Maria, thank you for stopping by. That's very kind of you.
Of course. How is she doing today?
Much better. The fever finally went down this morning.
Yes, thanks to Mom and Dad staying with me.
I'm so happy to hear that, but still, you need to eat something. Have you had anything this morning?
Just a little fruit. My stomach still feels a bit sensitive.
That's normal after the flu. Try the soup while it's warm. It's very gentle on the stomach.
It smells amazing. Thank you, Maria.
I'm glad. My kids love this soup too. It's like the go-to comfort food in our house whenever someone is sick.
Comfort food. Yes, it really does make me feel better already.
If you need anything, groceries, medicine, or if your parents need help with anything, just text me, okay?
I will. You're always so kind. Thank you, Maria.
Rest today, sweetie. No stress, no studying, just rest.
Yes, that's exactly what Mom keeps telling me.
Good. Well, I won't stay long. You need to rest. Feel better soon, Anna.
Thank you so much, Maria.
Bye, sweetheart. Get well soon.
Bye, Maria.
Sweetheart, how are you feeling today?
Much better, Mom. So much better than yesterday.
You really look stronger today. Your fever is almost gone.
I think it's because you two stayed with me. And because Mom made all that healthy food.
Of course. Soup, rice, warm ginger tea. Everything to help you get strong again.
It really helped. I slept so well last night.
Sweetheart, we need to head home this afternoon.
Today?
Yes, honey. We came so fast Thursday night. We left everything at home.
Right. You didn't plan anything.
Luna hasn't eaten a real meal in 2 days. She's probably sitting at the door waiting for us.
Poor cat. She probably thinks you both abandoned her.
And the garden. No water since Thursday? The tomatoes must be crying.
Your tomatoes are always dramatic.
But honestly, this place, it's beautiful.
Yes, it's peaceful, quiet, and safe.
The air is fresh. No traffic, no loud noises.
That's why I like it here.
I can see why. Being here makes us feel relaxed too.
And your couch?
So comfortable. We slept better than at home.
Really?
Maybe we should visit more often.
Maybe every weekend?
No, don't move in.
We won't, but coming here feels good.
And we're proud of you, sweetheart.
Yes, you handled everything so well this week. Calling the school, the doctor, the hospital.
I was scared, but I'm okay now.
You are not alone here. Maria is wonderful.
She's amazing. She helped me so much.
Before we leave, promise us one thing.
What is it?
If you feel worse, even a little, call us.
Anytime, day or night.
I will. I promise.
We'll leave around noon.
Okay. I'll miss you.
We'll miss you too. But we're only 2 hours away.
I know. Thank you for staying with me these past few days.
Always, sweetheart. That's what family is for.
Call us tonight so we know you're okay, okay?
I will. Have a safe drive home.
We will. Bye, honey.
Rest well.
Bye, Mom. Bye, Dad.
Hi there. Welcome to CVS. How can I help you today?
Hi. I am getting better from the flu, but I still need a few things. I need a thermometer and maybe something for my sore throat.
Sure thing. Let me help you find everything. The thermometers are right over here on aisle 3. The digital ones are the easiest and most accurate.
Okay, thank you. How do I use this one? Is it difficult?
Not at all. It's very easy. You just put it under your tongue, close your mouth, and wait for the beep sound. Then check the number on the screen.
Oh, that sounds simple. What number means I have a fever?
Anything over 100.4 degrees Fahrenheit means you have a fever. Normal is around 98.6.
Got it. Thank you for explaining.
Of course. Now, for your throat, do you want something to stop the pain or just soothe it?
Yes, please. My throat hurts a lot when I swallow. It feels very dry and scratchy.
Then I recommend these honey lemon lozenges. They help with sore throat pain and also keep your throat moist. You can take one every 2 hours.
Perfect. I will take this box. Are there any side effects?
No, these are very safe. Just don't eat too many at once. Maybe 6 per day maximum.
Okay, I understand. Is there anything else that is good for recovery?
Yes, vitamin C is excellent for your immune system. And many people buy Gatorade or Pedialyte for hydration, especially if you had a fever.
Oh, the doctor mentioned that too. I will get 1 bottle of Gatorade then. Which flavor is most popular?
The blue one, Cool Blue, is the most popular. But they're all good. Choose what you like.
I will try the blue one. Thank you.
No problem. Also, do you have a CVS rewards card with us?
No, I don't. Is it free?
Yes, completely free. You can sign up at the register and start saving today.
Okay, I will do that. Thank you for your help.
You're very welcome. Remember to rest today and drink plenty of fluids, okay?
I will. Thank you again.
Feel better soon. Have a great day.
You too. Goodbye.
Hey, Anna, how are you feeling today? I heard you have the flu.
Hi, Emma. I am feeling a bit better now. The fever is gone, but I am still very tired.
That's good. Take your time and rest. Don't worry about school right now.
Thank you. Actually, I wanted to ask, did I miss anything important in Mr. Davis's class this week?
Not too much. On Monday, we reviewed Chapter 5, and on Tuesday, we had a group discussion about the book.
Oh, okay. What about homework? Do I need to catch up on anything?
Mr. Davis said you don't have to worry about this week's homework. So, he will give you extra time when you come back.
Really? That is so nice of him. I was really worried about falling behind.
He's very understanding. He told the whole class to send you good wishes.
Aw, that is so sweet. Please tell everyone I said thank you.
I will. Also, in math class, we started a new unit on geometry. Mrs. Taylor said it'll continue next week, so you won't miss too much.
Okay, good to know. I will review the textbook this weekend if I feel better.
Don't push yourself too hard. Your health is the most important thing.
You are right. I will rest first. Thank you for updating me, Emma. You are a really good friend.
Of course, that's what friends are for. Do you need me to bring you anything? Notes? Textbooks?
No, I think I have everything at home. But thank you so much for offering.
Anytime. If you need anything at all, just text me, okay?
I will. Thank you again, Emma. You are the best.
Feel better soon, Anna. See you next Monday.
See you soon. Bye. And that's the end of our 5 conversations. Anna handled her flu week very well. She communicated clearly, asked for help when needed, and took care of herself responsibly. These situations are very common in everyday American life, and now you have the vocabulary and phrases to handle them too. Remember, simple English is powerful English. You don't need complicated words to communicate effectively. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Leave a comment below telling us, how do you take care of yourself when you are sick? We would love to hear from you. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Stay healthy, everyone.